Hello guys! In today's video, we are going to present you the top 5 best gas cooktops available on the market. We made decisions our personal preference and solidly based on their prices, quality, durability and repetition of the manufacturers. Check the description to find out their prices and more information. I've included the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell button for upcoming video notifications. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. GE JGP 5030 SLSS 30-inch gas cooktop. When it comes to gas cooktops, the GE JGP 5030 SLSS doesn't leave much to be desired. Within its 30-inch build, the appliance houses 5 powerful burners, including one for boiling a pot of water at rapid speed and one for simmering. A control panel sits at the front of the model, so it's easy to adjust any of the 5 elements when cooking, even if pots and pans are sitting on top of them. In addition, a stainless steel finish is both durable and stylish, making this model an ideal pick for gourmets and amateurs alike. In addition to an impressive set of elements, this GE cooktop is compatible with an integrated griddle if you want to quickly make some pancakes to perfection. A continuous grate system also lets you move a pot or pan around the cooking surface with ease. Although this cooktop can be a slight hassle to clean, like many gas cooktops are, due to their cast iron grates, you'll enjoy the professional feel of it. Ultimately, we love that the cooktop is packed with useful features you would actually reach for on a daily basis. With up to 15,000 BTU of power, you can sear a piece of meat if you'd like or stick to simmering a soup. This quality appliance also brings these features into your home at a very decent price, which sealed the deal for us. What we like: accommodates large cookware, compatible with a griddle, has 5 burners. What we don't like: control knobs can scratch easily, sealed grates are tricky to remove. Number 2. Impava 30-inch gas stove cooktop. This appliance from Impava is a hidden gem because it not only includes 5 sealed burners but also has a budget-friendly price tag. You can install it over a wall oven made by the same brand or within an island or kitchen countertop. The element's power levels range from 4,000 to 12,000 BTU, which is ideal for searing a steak or simmering a pot of soup, and competitive with more expensive models that cap at 15,000 BTU. Now, this model isn't packed with smart features, but it does heat up quickly and is great for those living small. You'll find that it's easy to clean and maintain, especially since the grates are dishwasher safe. Just be warned, the elements can have weak moments. You may find that a flame isn't consistent after being lit for a while. What we like: good for small living, inexpensive, grates are dishwasher safe. What we don't like: doesn't heat evenly, no smart features. Number 3. Frigidiare FGGC 3045QS Gallery 30-foot gas cooktop. This Frigidaire model is on the smaller side, but it's still mighty. The cooktop features a total of 4 burners, which range from 5,000 to 18,000 BTU in power. Its cast iron grates are continuous, so the space you're given is maximized and dishwasher safe. You can install the unit over the compatible electric wall oven by the brand, or within your countertops if that's more convenient for the layout of your space. Ultimately, what sets this model apart from others is its angled control panel. It makes the control knobs very easy to operate and gives the appliance a sleek look and feel. Once you have it installed, you'll find that this cooktop really checks off all of the boxes and just requires a gentle clean. What we like: angled control panel, can reach 18,000 BTU. Instructions are thorough. What we don't like: can scratch easily, no smart features. Number 4. Summit GC2BGL gas cooktop. Smaller kitchens can still enjoy the benefits of a gas cooktop, thanks to this mini model by Summit Appliance. It features a ceramic glass surface, opposed to a stainless steel one, that'll wipe clean with little effort. It also has a continuous grate system that'll keep bulky or rough cookware from slipping or creating scratches. Most notably, the cooktop is packed with safety features to make your experience potentially hassle-free. For example, flame failure protection kicks in 12 seconds after a flame is extinguished and turns off the gas powering the appliance. Electronic pilotless ignition also makes lighting this appliance easier, while push-to-turn knobs will make sure you don't accidentally start up a burner. Now, the two burners have just 8,350 BTU and 3,400 BTU of power, which is significantly less than larger models. So, where you're saving space and money with this appliance, be sure to allow plenty of time for water to boil. What we like: ceramic glass surface, great safety features, good for small living. What we don't like: not very powerful, cannot be used outdoors. Number 5. Thorkitchen HRT4806U Gas Rangetop. Seeking maximum power and space in your gas cooktop? The Thorkitchen HRT4806U is a great option, as it's 48 inches wide and features 6 burners and a griddle. It will definitely require a large footprint in your home but will make your cooking experience feel gourmet. You'll find that this piece is relatively easy to clean, thanks to drip pans that are made of black porcelain that doesn't scratch easily. Now, the appliance is much more expensive than others on the market, and its griddle can heat unevenly, which is inconvenient if you're making pancakes or a hot sandwich. However, it makes up for these flaws with powerful, yet precise burners and a design that's both durable and sleek. All in all, it will be a quality investment for your household and will be fairly easy to install, too. What we like: precise burners, control panel with LED lights, porcelain drip pans. What we don't like: expensive, griddle heats unevenly,